more about MS PowerPoint 2010 Chapter 6. Topics covered in this chapter: about MS PowerPoint, how to insert picture from clipart, how to insert picture from file, how to insert smart art, editing smart art, how to insert bullets and numbering, how to insert tables, how to apply theme, how to edit theme. PowerPoint is a presentation software that allows you to create dynamic slide presentations. PowerPoint presentations are generally created in three formats: 1. A blank presentation, 2. An installed theme presentation, 3. An installed template presentation. To insert a picture or clip art, step 1. Insert type. Step 2. Pictures. Step 3. Online pictures. Step 4. Online pictures. Select file name. Step 6. Select images. Step 7. Insert. Step 8. Picture. To insert picture from file. Step 1. Insert type. Step 2. Pictures. Step 3. This device. Step 4. Pictures. Step 5. Select image. Step 6. Insert. To insert smart art. Step 1. Insert type. Step 2. Smart art. Step 3. Select smart art. Step 4. OK. Step 5. Write text here. To edit smart art. Changing layout. Changing color. changing style, to add bullets and numbering. Bullets and numbering are used to represent and describe text in a logical and stepwise manner. Step 1. Select text. Step 2. Home tab. Step 3. Bullet. Step 4. Select bullet. Step 5. Edit bullet. Step 6. Clear bullet. Step 7. Numbering. Step 8. Select numbering. Step 9. Different format. Step 10. Clear numbering. To insert tables. Tables consist of data that is presented in rows and columns. Step 1. New slide. Step 2. Select slide. Step 3. Report card. Step 4. Insert table. Step 5. OK. To apply theme. Themes are a set of predefined backgrounds of slides. Step 1. Design tab. Step 2. Select theme. Step 4. Color. Animations in PowerPoint. In MS PowerPoint, animations are used to make presentations attractive and more appealing. Step 1. Select slide. Step 2. Transaction type. Step 3. More effect. Step 4. Choose the effect. Select slide. Transaction type. Choose the effect. Preview. Select slide. More effect. Preview. Exercise A. Tick the correct option. 1. Which one is a graphic way to represent your text? 2. Which one is a wonderful structure for presented your text? 3. Which tab is used to insert a theme? 4. Which one of these are used to present and describe matter in brief point wise? 5. A set of predefined backgrounds for your slides are called dash. B. Tick the true statements and cross for the false statement. C. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given in the box below. D. Answer the question given below. 1. What is a theme? Explain how to apply a theme to a selected slide. 2. Write 2 uses of inserting bullets in a presentation. 3. How do you resize a picture? 4. Write the steps to add smart art in your slide. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, Step 5. 5. Give the basic steps to insert a table on a slide. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4.